This is really cozy.
Thank you.
I don't know anything about this behind me. You are the Flying Dutchman, everybody. What is up, everybody? We're back at it again. This time we have a full DIY?
Yes.
I don't know anything about this behind me. We have David right here, and we got Kyle behind the camera.
Push this button one more time.
There it is. My man Kyle, thank you so much for being behind the camera and doing this. It is pretty cool. I think I just sold you on it. David, first of all, tell me a little bit about yourself.
So my name's David. I'm a government employee, which is not a good thing to be right now.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We're jumping right into it.
Bought this and built it out, and I do this on the weekends. So I'm not a full-timer.
Not build on the weekends, you live out of it on the weekends.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so you're a local to the San Diego area.
Correct.
Okay, and you came to Tiny Fest because you were like, I built cool stuff. I want people to see it.
I didn't build it. Let me back that up.
Oh, okay.
So I had somebody build it for me. I came to Tiny Fest probably like 5 years ago, and I got really interested, and I bought this.
I want to say me and Kyle, like we've seen this a few times, I want to say.
Really?
Yeah, I want to say it was here last year.
It wasn't here.
Oh, it was not here, okay. I'm sorry,
Okay.
my apologies. Do you know what it sits, what's the chassis?
So it's on an E150. It's a
Okay.
99 Econoline.
Did whoever built it, did they cut it off? And
So in its previous life, it was a flower delivery truck. And then they chopped the van and they built the box. It was a father and son that build race cars. And so they built the whole frame on it, and the inside was empty when I got it, and I just contracted out the inside.
okay, so empty on the inside. Do you want to give a shout out to the person that built the inside or just somebody random?
It's John. I don't know his last name. So, shout out to
Hey
you,
John, you're welcome, buddy.
He's in
Not a
Escondido.
lot of them.
He's in Escondido. John in Escondido, everybody. Awesome. You have a small footprint, my friend.
It's 16 feet, and then it's probably another 1.5 feet for the generator on the back.
So do you have any power other than the
I have
Jenny?
600 watts of solar on the top, and then 300 lithium amp hours battery.
Wow. What's the longest you've spent? You said you only do this as a weekend warrior. What's the longest you spent there?
So 5 days was the longest.
Okay.
Yeah.
So obviously you have this awning here that you camp out of. Yeah, let's go step on inside. I'm kind of more interested in what the heck the inside looks
Come on
like. All right, here we go. I'm a little nervous, Kyle.
Haven't seen it yet.
Go
It's
ahead.
pretty nice.
Holy crap. Oh, there it is. Sorry. You did a really nice table, or is that maybe John and Escondido did?
So no, I actually got this on eBay for $30.
Did you really?
I sure did.
This is really cozy.
Thank you.
I'm assuming bed.
There's a bed. This actually flips over to a bed, but I usually sleep up there.
You do sleep up.
I do.
Okay, it's a hot day out right now, and I'm very cool in here.
Yes. It's
So-
very well insulated.
I was gonna say, what the heck did they use? Do you know?
I don't know what they used.
Kyle's actually run underneath. It looks like a 42-inch flat screen.
You are incorrect. It's a 43-inch.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you have a 43-inch flat screen. I'm assuming, do you have do you game, you stream?
I just watch YouTube.
You just watch
I
YouTube.
watched this guy named Jarrod. Have you heard of him?
I don't know who he is. You've watched me apparently. Thank you so much. You got the front swivel you got going on. First of all, I own an Econoline. I love what you did here. I'm really jealous of this.
Thank you.
Yes, you did a very good job. Or you contracted, but you still did a great job. So this is a bed. What's this porthole? Do you have cats?
So I have the tank sensors, but they don't work. So my vessel is the Flying Dutchman. So it's a pirate ship. So I have a porthole, which has a little switch down here where I can check my water levels.
Oh my God!
That's cool.
Oh boy.
Super cool.
So wait a minute. If I open that up, water would come out?
No, you can actually
Oh.
see the tank.
That is so cool. That is so cool. The Flying Dutchman.
So it's a pirate ship.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Did you notice the license plate?
RV. Yeah,
Yes.
RV.
So this is all nautical. It's.
I love the theme. Oh, you even have the Flying Dutchman right here.
I got an oar.
You have an oar? You do have an oar. You do have a freaking oar. You have a Max Air fan. It looks like you have a...
It's a Dometic.
The Dometic.
I should have done a 12 volt. Yeah, it's a Penguin.
It's the Penguin. Yeah, good,
Yeah.
good eye, Kyle. It's not the 12 volt like you just said.
Oh, I wish it was.
Because you have to be plugged in.
Yes.
Or you can run the Jenny.
I could.
Okay. But is
Could.
there something wrong there?
Well, it just depends on where I'm camping.
Okay. I love the tile lights. They keep on changing on me. That's pretty cool. Well, you did a great job. I know there's a behind me. I want you to switch sides with me.
Okay.
And then we'll have Kyle come up. Looks like you got, I mean, this is enough room. And this looks, how do I put this, Kyle? Like, this looks bigger on the inside than it does on the outside, right?
It does, 100%.
It's very deceptive. So it's a 7-foot clearance on the inside, 10 feet on the outside.
Okay. And then what's the width side to side?
6.
6 feet inside, side to side. So you obviously sleep side to side.
Correct.
Wow.
I barely fit.
And you are roughly
feet.
6 foot. Yeah, you got to be. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Wow. So you fit very comfortably in here.
Yes.
Do you cook meals inside?
I tend to cook outside, but I do have convection microwave, and then I have the induction as well.
This is cozy as heck in here. I could totally live out of this thing.
You can't.
No? Why is that?
Because I live in it
Uh,
part-time. You
so
can borrow it.
I can't, but a human can is what I'm saying.
Correct,
Okay.
correct.
That was good. I like the zinger there. Thank you. So this is your wonderful galley. Plenty of clothing storage. Obviously, you got the tank under there.
Yes.
Where's your electrical system?
It is
Over here
beneath
as well?
you, and then my batteries are actually outside underneath.
Everybody poops, so you have a bathroom shower behind you.
I have a bathroom shower. It's a full stand-up shower with a pocket door. So I usually latch it because I don't like it slamming when I'm driving. But,
Smart.
So full shower, full bathroom.
Do you mind me asking prices? If you do not feel comfortable, I will cut that part out.
I bought the rig for $9,000,
Oh,
and then I paid probably about $15,000 with a contractor building it out.
that's nothing.
So cheap.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Yeah.
I'm really jealous of that.
I've added more. So I did the solar actually cost more. I got the generator out of the junkyard for $200.
So you're into this under 20.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Well, no, a little over.
Oh, you're a little over. I can't do math,
Yeah,
obviously.
under 30.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Under 30.
Correct.
Yeah, because 15. Yeah, gotcha. That's a great steal, though. You are the Flying Dutchman, everybody. What kind of toilet did you have back there?
It's just a Dometic.
Just a Dometic.
With a black tank.
With a black tank.
Yeah. I have a black tank and I have a gray tank and then 25 of fresh.
And 25 of fresh. Wow.
It's small, but it's big. It's like,
It's deceiving.
it is. It really is.
It's super deceiving.
Especially when you're outside, you're like, that thing is short.
Yeah, and then you would think like, oh, it's just an Econoline with this like rinkety-dink box in the back,
It's
and
funny
then you
because
come in, it's
most of
nice.
the people they've been walk right by and I'm like, no, come on in. And they're like, oh, wow, I didn't know this was inside.
Yeah, it's like
Very homey in here. I'm outside. It's like, get the away.
yeah, it's kind of like it's like I'm about to cook some stuff in the back, and now you're like, you walk in here, you're like, dude, I want to sit down and have a meal with you.
Right?
It's very, very, very well done and thought out. Dave, I could not be more happy for you. Obviously, just a little small fridge, like you said, the convection. You even got a little trash bin hanging down.
Yeah.
You have everything that a person needs into a travel rig. Dave, I got a question for you. Are you on any social media whatsoever so people could follow you in your travels maybe and ask you questions?
I'm a little old school because I'm kind of old, so I'm on Facebook.
Oh, even better.
Yeah.
What do you got? Do you want to throw out what your Facebook is?
No.
Okay, then we're gonna. I'm gonna leave that in there. I love that. You could follow Kyle at the Chop Shop Crew, or you could follow me.
I do have an Instagram for the van, but I haven't posted anything on it, but I'll give you the Instagram.
What is the Instagram name?
It's the FND.
The FND, the Flying Dutch
Correct.
Man.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. FMD. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense, right? Anything else you want to share with us?
No, that's it. I'm glad to have you here. And
I'm glad that I got to see this.
thank you.
I'm glad Kyle's the one that dragged me over here. He's like,
I was
dude,
like, you got to get David.
we got to go check that out. And I know you're trying to get out of here, so
No, I'm good.
we're gonna get you out of here. This is you did a really good job. I want to see you more on the road. This is great. This is great, Dave. Thank you guys.
I appreciate it.